I'm gonna stand on top on like the end of them bitch. Hold on, let me put my mic. Like someone right here. Shit going on. It's structured. Yeah. Right on the side of that bitch? Oh shit. Alright, bet, look. Open the hood. Open the hood. And the hood. Alright, bet, I'm finna pop the hood of this bitch. How the fuck I'm chill? I dropped the mic. Never mind. I'm tripping. My little stupid ass didn't even know how to pop the hood.
But we structured.
Move that bonus.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna keep this though. I'm gonna put it. You can put it in the trunk.